Hello, children. Today, let us study the new chapter of Class 4 EVS, that is, Chapter 6 Omna's Journey. Let us look into the chapter. Omna and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omna was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. So you can see here Radha and Omna and Radha were two best friends. They had planned for a trip. They had planned to go for a trip, but Radha was going along with her family for holiday. Omna's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. So, unfortunately, Radha has fell ill and she couldn't go for the trip. So, her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she couldn't move her leg for 6 weeks. So Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The two friends were very sad because they had planned a trip and they had their own imaginations. They had made so many plans about what they have to do together on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. So Radha's mother gave an idea. What idea it is, let us see before that. So you can see here they are going to Kerala. Yeah. So here you can see. So it is Kozhikode where they are going to reach. So it is the street Kerala. You can see it in the India map. It is at the bottom. Okay. Now it is the train journey to Kerala. They are just moving on a train, and her parents had booked the train ticket. This is how the train ticket looks like. You can see. So this is the train ticket. Okay. So they were very sad. They had many plans. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omna, why don't you write down everything about your trip in diary? Then, when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way, you will not forget anything, and it will also help you to pass time on the train. So now, what idea the Radha's mother has given? So she told Omna to write a diary. So Omna decided to write about their journey to share with her friend. So here Omna went home and found a notebook with the blank pages to write all about her journey. So here are some pages from Omna's diary for you to read. So see, this is Omna's diary. So you can see the date where on the diary she has written the date and time it is mentioned. So it is on 16th May at 11:35. As soon as they reached the station, what they did, they checked their names on the reservation chart. So it will be put on the platform, railway platform. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. So what happened, it seems already the coach was full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhi Dham in Kutch. Okay, so now reservation chart means it is a chart which shows the list of passengers going to board a particular train. So reservation chart will be put on the platform wall. Okay, so what is platform? Platform is a raised floor in a station on which passengers try to board or deboard a train. So where the passengers are standing to climb a train, or from the train the passengers are getting down on the platform. You can see here the platform. So Gandhidham in Kutch. It is a city in Kutch district of Gujarat. Okay. So this is a place in Gujarat, Gandhidham. Okay. So you can see here the railway platform where the passengers are walking on the platform and where the train has reached the platform. Here you can see Gandhidham, which is the place in Gujarat. Okay. So next let us see what happened. So there was the people were getting off from the train. So here when the train came there was so much confusion. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside all from one door. So as the train came to the railway station, what happened? All the people started to rush. Some were getting down from the train and many were trying to get on the train. They were rushing with their luggage from a single door. Okay, you all have some experience how the people rush when the train or the bus arrives at the station, right? So in the same way, in here also the peoples are rushing with a great confusion where to climb, where to sit. So we somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Yunin and I have the middle berth. So here you can see the Omna's family is sitting on a train where the ticket collector has come to check the tickets and whether they have sat in the proper place. Okay, so the ticket collector is checking whether they have taken a proper seats. So Amma and Appa had the lower berth. So what is the meaning of it? So let us see now. So you can see here ticket collector with a black coat where he will check the tickets of the passengers. So whether they are having the tickets and whether they are sitting in the correct seats, it is going to be checked by the ticket one who checks the ticket. Okay. So you can see here this is the inside how the train will be. So there are three kinds of berths we call first, second and third. You can see here lower berth, it is the lower compartment, middle berth where it is the middle one, upper berth, it is the upper seat of the in the railway. Okay. So the Amma and Appa, Omna's Amma and Appa had the lower berth. Uni and Omna had the middle berth. Okay. There are two college students who have the upper berth. So they are sitting in the upper berth. So Omna's father and mother, Amma and Appa, is sitting on the lower berth. Omna and Yunin are sitting in the middle berth, and two college students were there on the upper berth. So there is a family with two children. They seem to be about our age. I will go and talk to them later. So who is telling this? Omna is telling. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey, just as I had promised you. So now Omna had told that she will write a diary, right? So now she has sat near the window and she has started writing the diary. I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma had packed a lot of food. So children, you all know, as we travel in a train, we will have some kinds of food which we take to eat during traveling, right? So in the same way, here Omna's mother has also packed a lot of food So let us see which are the food the Omna's mother has carried. That is dokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai she has taken. Okay. So my mouth is watering. I will write more later. So now Omna has started to eat the food which was brought by Amma. Okay. Why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? Dear children, you'll have to write this answer in your textbook. Please have the pencil with you and try to write it. So why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? So this question is in page number 49 of your textbook. So what is the answer? We already read that. Why it was crowded at the door of the coach when the train arrived? So that is because so many people were hurriedly trying to get down of the train, and also there were more people who were trying to climb the train, is it? So to board the train. So this due to that reason, near the door the people were crowded. Okay. Next question you can see. Have you ever traveled in a train? When? Yes, dear children, you have to write your own answer. Try to write your own answer. I will give the answer for this. So, yes, I have. I always travel in a train when I go to my grandmother's house. You all also may have travelled in train. So when you have travelled, you have to write the answer for that. Okay. What food would you like to take with you when you travel? Why? So here also the question is, what food you are liking to take when you travel? Why? So please write the answer for this. So some of you may like biscuits, fruits, chocolates, snacks, sabzi and puri. So this kind of foods we take because it is a light-weighted food where we can carry it easily. Okay. So what does a ticket checker do? So what the ticket checker will do? So he checks the ticket, right? So the ticket checker checks all the passengers' tickets and makes sure that they all are sitting on their own seats, because many of the passengers are not taking the tickets sometimes. So what this ticket checker will do is going to check all the tickets whether all are having the tickets with them and they are sitting in the correct seats. Okay. How will you recognize the ticket checker? So how can we recognize the ticket checker? So I can recognize a ticket checker by his uniform. Yes. So he is having a particular uniform will be there, like police is having a particular uniform, right? In the same way here, ticket checker is also having a particular uniform. So what is the uniform? He has a badge on his coat. He carries a chart in train which has the passengers' names and other details. Okay. So the ticket checker will be in black coat and he has a name on his coat. On the coat, his name will be written, and there is a badge on the both of his shoulders. So where it will be written TTE. Okay. So where it will be written like that. Okay. So let us move on to the next. What in the diary, what she has written in the diary. So it is on 16th May. So now the time is 4:30, right? So after lunch, some people slept, but I was not sleepy. I kept looking out of the window. So what Omna was doing? She was just looking out of the window. So some people like to see out of the window. They like to sit beside the window to look out. So the same thing Omna has done here. So I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. Sometimes we passed small villages. They seemed to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at very high speed, things outside seems to be running in the opposite direction? Yes. So when we are moving front, but actually the outside whatever plants and trees are there, it is not moving, they are at rest, but for us it seems as if it is moving in opposite direction, because it seems like that because we are moving in front direction with a high speed. Due to that reason, it seems that outside things are running in the opposite direction. Actually, it is not running there. It is at rest only, but we are moving on a train with high speed. So, it seems like that. So, earlier it was really hot. Now that it is evening, there is some breeze. The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this is Ahmedabad. So you can see here dry fields of Kutch. First day of the journey of Omna, where it is dry, brown, where she has done, they were brown and dry. So where there is no greenery, is it? So she has passed some small villages where it is of dry fields. Okay. So now we had just passed a station called Valsad. The train stopped for only 2 minutes, but even for the short time, there was so much noise. So dear children, you all have seen when you reach the platform, when you reach the railway station, there will be much noise. Some people will be getting down and some people will be boarding into the train, and there are some people who is selling on the platform, right? So in the same way, this noise was heard by Omna. So what kind of noise she heard? Let us see. So there was a person selling chai, garam chai. One man was calling, batata vada. So in this way, the people were just selling the chai and batata vadas. So they were just telling. So you can see here the station of Valsad. So this is the station of Valsad where they had only for 2 minutes they had stayed there. Okay. So and also there are persons who are having puri shak, doodh, tanda doodh, like that. The people were just telling loudly and the people were purchasing from them. So the people were selling and buying food on the platform. So we quickly bought some bananas and chickus through the window itself. So many of the people around outside the train, they will be selling the fruits and some of the cold drinks and some chips item, spicy items will be just sold on the train and also outside the train on the platform. So from there, the Omna's family had purchased bananas and chickus from the window itself. Okay. So next let us see what happened. What did Omna see from the window? There is a question here from page number 51. So write down the answer for this. So what Omna saw from the window when she was traveling in a train? Already we studied about it. So Omna saw fields, small villages and scenes of sun setting and beautiful orange sky. Okay. So what are some of the things that are sold at railway station? So things sold at railway stations are water bottles are sold, tea, coffee, milk, fruits and other eatable items like bread, pakoda, then biscuits, juice, etc. Vada pav. So like that, many of the eatables are being sold at the railway station. Okay. So let us see next what happens. So it is on 16th May at 8:30. 16th May 8:30. So I have made some friends. They are Sunil and An. They are going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. So where it is in Kerala. Sunil has given me some storybooks to read. So she had told in front of them there were family with 2 children of similar to their age. So now she has made the friends with them. So their names are Sunil and An. So what Sunil has, where they are going, Sunil and An are going to Kozhikode in Kerala, and Sunil has given some of the storybooks to Omna to read. A little while ago, I went to brush my teeth. but there was no water in the bathroom. Somebody said that it will only be filled at the next big station. Yes, so in the train, the water facilities will be there, right? So when Omna went to brush her teeth, what happened? There was no water in the bathroom. So somebody told her, so it will be filled in the next big station. So where the in that station, when they go to station, bigger station, they will just fill up the tanks of the which is kept on the train, so that from there the water will be supplied to all the coach. Okay. So Gandhidham, Ahmedabad and Valsad are in Gujarat and Kozhikode is in Kerala. You can see here the states in Gujarat, the places Gandhidham, Ahmedabad and Valsad, which comes in Gujarat. Okay, and Kozhikode is in Kerala. You can see here it is down Kerala below Karnataka. So Kozhikode is the place in Kerala. So who are going to Kozhikode? Yes, you can see here Sunil and An are going to Kozhikode, which is in Kerala. Okay, so they are going to have a journey from Gujarat to Kerala. So which is a long journey. Okay. So let us see the next question. Why do you think there was no water in the bathroom of the train? Discuss. So why there is no water? There was no water in the bathroom of the train because usually passengers waste water by using it more and they are keeping the taps open. So due to which all the water is wasted and the tank becomes empty. So water is going to become empty. So there is a wastage of water. So which we must not do, because which is very important, right? Water is very important, and also in the train, so it is going to be filled up in the next station only. So which is very important required thing. Water is the main required thing where we go. Okay, so we must not waste water. Imagine that you are going on a long train journey. What are the things that you will take with you to help pass the time? So what you are going to take? So I will carry some storybooks and some games like Ludo or playing cards with me on a long train journey. So children, what do you like to take? You have to write your own answer. Okay, so each answer will be different, right? Depending on the thinking ability of the students, the answer may change, right? So your likings may be different, so the answer will be changed. So please write your answer. Now can you recognize who are these people shown in the picture? What work do they do? Discuss. So you can see here the first person, he is a coolie. Yes, who is going to carry the luggage, who helps the passengers. Next you can see a signalman or a guard who is just showing the flag to stop the train and to start the train. And you can see here there is a train driver who is inside the train. And next here is a ticket checker, one who checks the ticket. And there is a railway police where he is taking care of the passengers. Next you can see here the sweeper who is sweeping the platform, right? Next you can see ticket seller, one who sits in the reservation counter where she sells the ticket. Okay, so these are the people who are helping us in one or the other way in the railway platform. Okay, so hope you all have understood about the Omna's journey. It is not completed. Again, the continued part is there in the next chapter, that is from the window. Let us continue the Omna's diary in the next chapter. Okay, so thank you for watching.